Kula isn't defeated yet. Everyone get ready.
It's regenerating.
Don't get separated. Why is it glowing like burning coals?
I think we actually made it mad.
It's absorbing energy from the forest. My crystal is reacting. Kula is opening an ancient seal.
We won't let it finish that. Its power doubled.
There! Look! A third arm is growing out.
Who allowed it to upgrade?
Move! It's firing again! I'll seal it again. Hold it down.
Follow Yama's lead. Hold it tight. I've got this one. Hey, Six Arms. Look up here.
I didn't mean to do that.
Endure this, Endure this, giant. Begin the sealing. Heartlight crystals, lock it down.
Oh my gosh! You won't break free.
The crystal's light. It's covering the whole forest. It's over, right, Yama?